So you guys can see that now, right? This is my tablet. So the first thing I want to show you here is the following. Here is how a good investor invests. Let's make a chart here, and let's say that we put, so this is gonna be our fear. All right, that's fear. And then this, it is gonna be the price of the stock price. All right, so now what we have here, as you can see, if I can underline that, once the fear is at its maximum right here, the stock price is at the bottom. So what a good investor should do is the following. A good investor should have a feeling for the market and see what is going on and start investing when the maximum amount of fear is in the market. Does times like this remind you of maximum amount of fear? And the answer is yes. Now, when is the peak? Nobody can tell you, but you have a feeling. If you don't know anything else about investing, buying cheap, buying stocks cheap, or buying the dip, or whatever else, all you need to know is when the fear is at this maximum point is where you plow money in the market. All right, that's all you need to know. You don't need to know nothing more. So, I'll show you one more thing. Let's go here. All right, and let's pull Google. So Google. Google stock. There you go. Let me show you something. Maximum. All right, you guys see this now? Let's say, and I love showing this to people because it shows you the value of investing, the power of investing. All right, so now you can see here, look, let's say, in 2000s there was a mess, you didn't know, but let's say that you heard about this good company that's called Google, and they got their stuff together on September 1st, 2006. So the price is September 1st, 2006, 189 and 30 cents. Okay. On September 1st, 2006, the price of Google, that was Google, was $189.36. Now, over time, and that's the most powerful ally you have in the stock market, it's time. So September 2006, the price of Google was at 189.30. So the most powerful friend you have in the stock market is time. So the time in the stock market, right? Now, Google was at 189.30 in 2006. Now, Google, let's say that you waited, or if you had a baby, right? If you had a baby and you put 10K for that baby as a fund for your child, you put $10,000 and the price of the stock was 189. So let me do some quick math here. All right. So what we got here? Here we got, we're gonna put $10,000 for our baby divided by 189.30. That's the price of the stock. So $10,000 divided by 189.30. That's 52.82. I hope you're following me. 52.82. That's, you have pretty much 53 Google. I know you love my handwriting, don't you? Stock. So 53 stocks of Google. If you sold this, all right, let's go back to my computer. If you sold this thing here, guys, let's say you sold it around here, which is August 13th, 2021. The price is 27.54.55. So guys, there you go. The price of one stock it's $2,754.55. And we own 53 of those stocks. So if I put it back to me, and then we're going to see what's the difference in time. But if I put the camera back to me and we do a recap one more time. On September 2006, you bought $10,000 worth of Google. That gave you 53 stocks. These 53 stocks, each of them now it's worth about $2,700. So if we do some simple math, meaning $2,700 times the 53 stocks you owned, all right? Let's pull it up here. This is gonna give us 53 times 2,754. This gives us, and I'll show you real quick. There you go. That's my calculator. $100,000, $45,000, 962. If this is not an eye opener to you, you leave money for 15 years, 16 years in the market, and with $10,000 you can make it $150,000. I don't know what is. You just need to place good bets. You just need to place good bets. Like I said multiple times, the way to make money, it's real estate and stocks. There is no other way to make big money here. And I know that's a peak of the fear market and all these things going on. You leave the money in, you're rich if you place good bets. Forget about what's going on today or tomorrow. And there is a lot going on, by the way, too. If you want to be rich, you stay in the game and you place good bets. Technology bets, preferably. You see who's in the lead. Tesla is in the lead, by the way. Hint, hint. And this is what's up. This way, a $10,000 investment can pay for your child's college. I don't want to tell you about anything else other than buying a house or like, you can make investments that they have real application in life. Forget about the fad, forget about the fluffy stuff, forget about a nice car, forget about vacations. Just a small investment with 10 years in the market can make you rich. That's all you have to know. Forget about this trade in and trade out and buying the company you heard on Reddit and buy that company you heard on from your colleagues. Place good bets. Be a smart investor. Okay? I love you guys. I hope you guys smash that like button. Thank you for being here. If you have margin, pay your margin down. I'll get back to you. I'll be up here. We're fighting together. We're in this together. Hit me up if you have any questions. And smash the fear. Forget about smashing the like button. Oh, and by the way, the best time to do this. Hold on. I didn't do this. I didn't do this today. Smash that like button. Tesla Cyber Whistle. Believe in Tesla. Elon Musk is our daddy. He's gonna bring it home. Okay? He's like Tom Brady in the Patriots era. He's gonna take it home. Okay. I love you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for joining. Don't be afraid to invest. And the only way to realize losses is by selling. Be in it to win it. Catch you on the next one.